The next three stories about somebody trying to go on holiday. Me, Mr. McRae. Travel agent, eh?
A visit to the travel agent. I'm browsing through a travelogue when a voice in my ear gave me a jog. Ask me anything you want to know. There's lots of places you can go. Me? I never been away afore, especially to a foreign shore. He rubs his hand and gives a smile. Have you a moment, sir? Just a wee while. Here, sir, please sit down on that chair. I assume, sir, you want to go by here. Is there any particular place you fancy going? Oh, aye, only where it's no snowing. Well, that gives me somewhere to start. In Europe, any particular part? I don't know and I don't care. As I said, just anywhere. To get away for this awful weather, the wife and I can get away with the girl. Do you fancy going far? Australia, Gambia, or Zanzibar? Well, it all depends on the price. All I want is somewhere nice. Do you want to stay in a hotel, or will you cater for yourself? To stay in a hotel would be nice, but I'll rely on you for advice. If you make up your mind, sir, where to go, the prices of some places I can show. Right, laddie, mind, somewhere cheap. The price must be right, and no over steep. How about Malta, Greece or Corfu? One of these places might suit you. Or how about the south of France or Spain, where you can flamenco dance? How about Tenerife at Veracruz? Sit in the shade and have a snooze. I don't mean it, laddie. You've got me lost. How much is this all going to cost? Let's see. There's insurance and your fare, plus a supplement to get you in the air. It all depends where you want to go. Staying at a hotel will cost more dough. Self-catering and B&Bs are very cheap if you just want somewhere to sleep. When you work it out, there is a difference. It's up to you, sir. It's your preference. 2 hours later, I'm still on the chair. And so far we've got nowhere. But I knew the laddie was getting a bit roused. There's 2 other brochures where he browsed. My mind and body are beginning to sag, and I'm starting to lose my rag. You're no telling me that shall cost. With all your blethering, you've got me lost. What I want is the total sum. He looks at me as if I'm dumb. Well, sir, through grinding teeth he says, a holiday for 2 for 14 days. He stopped and at me frowned. What cost you? £2,000. The total cost we had reached at last. I sat back on my seat, I was aghast. Nah, laddie, that's far out dear. Just how much for me, I fear. I rose stiffly, fell off my chair. He's looking sad, but I didn't care. I said as we shook hands, we'll just have a week at Seaton Sands. If looks could kill, I surely would. I'd drop down dead where I stood. But there's no other way I could afford that holiday. P.S. The laddie in that place thought you had a fool with slick talk and smiles and all that bull. We always talk of Asia, Europe and the West Indies. He didn't ken I was just in to clean the windows.
When Kenny goes to get the train into Edinburgh, McCarthy's shut their doors.